All right, the first thing we're going to do now that we're here after we've joined, make sure you're signed in. If not, click sign in and do that the way we just joined. And we're going to click on this create button. So on create, we're going to create a new project, and this is going to be our video game. This is where our video game is played so we can see how it looks. This is where all of our sprites are, or all of our characters. This is how we know where the backdrops are, so we can go change those if we want to. This is where all of the code goes. This is the code, the blocks that we need, and these are your drawers, your categories to where all of your code exists. Okay, so we're going to go through these as we create our first game. So our first game is going to be a flying game. So the first thing I want to do is I want to change my backdrop. So I want a background on here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to do a flying game. So I want something that represents flying through the air. If I want to fly through space or whatever, that's fine. But I'm going to fly through the air. And let's see, I'm just going to choose, you could choose underwater if you want to, but I'm going to choose these woods right here. Okay, so it's something really simple. I have a background now. The second thing I want to do is I want to get the sprite that I want. I don't want Scratchy, so I can click this trash can. I'm going to click on this little choose a sprite character in order to find the sprite that I want. I want a flying sprite, so I can either I could use a butterfly, which I've used in the past, or something else that flies. I'm going to choose this nice big hippo because why not? We can use a hippo, and that's going to be my main sprite. So my main sprite's a hippo flying through the forest. And now I want another sprite. So my next sprite is going to be something that I can throw. So I'm going to go back to choose a sprite. And this hippo is going to start throwing apples. So I'm going to choose an apple, and we'll just put that over here for now. Doesn't really matter. And then click another one. So I need an enemy now. So now I need some kind of enemy coming after me. So something that flies around. So we can use kind of whatever we want. So I'm going to go back to animals. And I want something that kind of makes some kind of sense as we're doing this. So let's see, something that flies through the air. And let's do this parrot. We're going to grab this parrot. He's the one that's going to be flying through the air. So you'll notice that he's not the right way. We will change his direction in a minute. And those are the three sprites you're going to have. You need to choose your background, and that's pretty much it for your first thing. And in the next video, we will make your characters move around.